So, going to do a little bit of matching here. We got three functions, a, b, and c, and we're going to just match them with our graphs without putting them in the calculator, because that would be easy, right? Let's use our brains a little bit. So, let's just focus on a first. Non-permissible values would be
Positive and negative 2.
plus or minus 2, right? You see it? So x can't be plus or minus 2. The question is, are those non-permissible values asymptotes, or are they points of discontinuity?
Asymptotes.
They're both asymptotes?
Nope.
Just one of them?
Yeah, just one.
So I'll have an asymptote and a hole? Okay. Let's just factor it a little bit here. So a of x is x squared plus 2x over x squared minus 4. Factoring, we get x times x plus 2. And then x plus 2, this is difference of squares, right? X minus 2. So these cancel. So the whole is x minus 2, or x equals negative 2. The asymptote is what's left over. Okay, so this is an asymptote, this is a whole.
So that's positive.
Okay, so which of these would that be?
I'm thinking it's the bottom one.
The bottom one, this guy?
I guess the top right.
Oh no,
Top
it's
right.
not the
Top right.
Top right?
Wait,
This
wait,
one?
Wait.
Top right. That's top right.
There's an asymptote definitely at 2.
Yeah,
That follows what we had.
That's the
And we can't see it, but there is a hole there. Okay? So this would be a. Nice. What about B? What would B be? BB.
I'm thinking it's C of X.
Non-permissible values? Is there anything X can't be
positive 2. Wait, 2.
for B?
Oh no, for
So
B.
half.
Positive negative 1.
X squared plus 1 cannot equal 0. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh
solve.
wait, that's not difference of squares.
Solve for the 1. Square root?
Right.
What's the problem?
No, you can't. Square root of negative.
Can't square root a negative, so there's no asymptote. No vertical asymptote.
What?
This is the bottom one.
It's right.
I mean, you think about it, you put anything in here for x. You put a negative number, you square that, it becomes positive. Add 1, it's still positive. If you put in 0, it's 0. Plus 1 is 1. So everything works, right? So there's no non-permissible values. So that should be enough to tell us what the graph should look like. Which one is it? The bottom one, right? It has a horizontal asymptote, but there's no vertical asymptotes. Right, so this would be B.
What about C should be?
Yeah, man, I don't know. If only we could find out. It's got the same non-permissible values as A. X can't be plus or minus 2. Does anything cancel? No, right? You can factor the bottom to x plus 2, x minus 2, but it's not going to cancel with the top. So there's two asymptotes for both of those non-permissible values, which is obviously this one, right? So this is C.
Nice.
Make sense? Okay, you understand the difference of how to find out whether something is a point of discontinuity or an asymptote? It's based on factoring and canceling.